The Great Forest, spectacular landscape where some of nature's dramatic interaction play out. For all manner of creatures, it is worth the fight to lay claim to their patch of territory and to share in the natural reaches of the forest. Beyond the hustle and bustle of Unimas, packed with modern settlements, where human population has doubled, there are stable Eden nurturing our growing civilization. In our little documentary, we brought to you the ecosystem that lies around the Unimas. In Tasik, Pra-University Unimas, there are mostly short trees with thin trunks, short grasses and ferns. The leaves there are not too big with a drip-tip shape, allowing rainwater to pass through smoothly without weighing the plants down. Here, mostly the trees growing downwards towards the water. These epiphytes grow on branches using limbs for support and extracting moisture from the air. Commensalism defines the relationship between trees and epiphytes. Most short trees there have strong roots. These pink and purple aquatic flowering plants can survive long periods of time without rainfall in a dry riverbed. They thrive in direct sunlight, undisturbed, neutral to slightly acidic soil and water. These hydrophytes have flat centers and small leaves. Short wave-length ruffles dominate lotus leaves growing on the lake surface. Macrolepiota albuminosa or termite mushrooms had also been spotted across the lake ecosystem. The Tylomelania, a genus of freshwater snails and a dragonfly belonging to the infraorder Anisoptera below the order Odanata, also have been spotted around the lake. These two animals are the biotic factors for this ecosystem. Here, at Tasik Unimas, it is more common to spot the biotic factors. Some are the Asian water monitor known as the large varanid lizard, tortoise, and large long-legged long-necked storks, but the most common ones are fish. A variety of fish exists in this ecosystem, leading to a competition for food supply, nutrient availability, and oxygen content amongst them. At the end of the real living lab lies a mangrove forest. In Malaysia, mangrove forests are primarily found along the west coast of peninsular Malaysia, at the estuaries of Sarawak's Rejang and Terusan Lawas rivers, and along Sabah's eastern coast. A mangrove forest surroundings produce a successful ecosystem, enhancing biodiversity for both terrestrial and aquatic species. In this type of ecosystem, these tilt roots promote quick vertical growth and enhance mechanical stability. The clay soil can hold a lot of mineral and nutrient-rich water, making it ideal for plant growth. We come across some animals as we travel further into the forest. There are few biotic factors too, for example, grasshoppers, dragonflies, black ants, and spiders. Grasshopper is the primary consumer in this ecosystem since it consumes green plants and plants known as producer. Mutualism interaction also occurs between dragonflies and plants. Other types of insects, such as stingless bees and the black ant species, have also been spotted around the mangrove ecosystem. Prey-predation interactions exist between the spiders and other small animals. A majority of the trees here have moss on it. This shows that it is located in a high humidity environment. Saprophytic organisms such as the giant black fungi, where it derives its nutrients from decaying organic matter, also can be spotted in this ecosystem. Although mangrove ecosystem is a successful ecosystem, little amount of sunlight reaches the forest floor and the soil content are highly nutrient deficient. A numerous amount of epiphytes that grow on branches can be seen around the ecosystem. Stranglers are also some of the biotic factors in this ecosystem. These plants, epiphytes, sprout from the canopy and descend to the forest floor via their roots. The green-stemmed climber that stays in the understory and stores nutrient in its roots and tubers is also a part of the biotic factors. Meanwhile, soil texture, water moisture, light intensity, and temperature are the abiotic factors in this ecosystem.
Through this experience, we get to know about the abiotic and biotic factors of aquatic and forest ecosystem, from the soil texture to the animal and plant species.
From this mini project, I am able to fully understand the concept of ecosystem as well as the layers of tropical rainforest, such as emergent, understory, canopy, and so on. And I hope that younger generation are able to appreciate and preserve the nature.
From the project, I able to differentiate between abiotic and biotic factor from lake ecosystem and forest ecosystem. I also able to learn to identify the plant and animal in the ecosystem. Thank you.
The experience that I gained be able to help me to learn and see the environment in a natural and detailed way. I also be able to classify the animals and plants found in ecosystem. I also be able to identify the limiting factors in a specific biome so that I can stand better.
In this mini project, I am the videographer for this video. Thus, I can learn how to film the video from whichever angle that is suitable for the video.
From this experience, I find how it's easy to use many types of software editings and how we can use it from our own very smartphone and our laptop. I also learned how to edit and how to catch the viewer's attention.
Experience, I learned that balanced ecosystem involved of abiotic and biotic factor. Our ecosystem must be protected and conserved by us as our responsibility as a citizen to prevent it from destruction.
These ecosystems have a very high value of nature, surely worth protecting. A future with more forest is the key to the resilience of our planet. We need this bioshield to protect us and our planet. It is our duty as mankind to conserve what has been given to us. What we do in the next 20 years will determine the future for all life on Earth.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why you